If you want to remove people from photos on the Xiaomi 17, first of all, we're gonna go to the gallery. And of course, you want to open the photo in which you want to remove other people. We're gonna tap on this square with a pen. Next, at the bottom, we want to switch to the create category, and we're gonna select erase over here. Now we're gonna tap on remove people, and sometimes people can be selected immediately, as you can see over here. And if you tap on a person, you can actually uncheck the person. You might unselect it. And once you are done with all the people, if everyone is highlighted, we can tap on start in order to then remove everyone. Of course, there is a possibility that something will be left after removing them. So let's see how it's going to look like in this case. For example, there are like part of shoes that are left over. There we go. There's like a bunch of trash that is left after removing people. So we can switch to remove objects, and of course we can select everything that we want to get rid of. So let's say I'm gonna select this part and this one over here. There we go. We can select multiple things at once. So once we select everything that we want to get rid of, we can tap on start again in order to try to get rid of it. And hopefully the next time, once the magic eraser does its work, we will be satisfied with the results. But if not, of course, we can keep going until we are happy. There we go. I think it looks now better. So we're gonna just tap on this check in the bottom right corner, and of course we can save our photo. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.